Bill at H&S Design School with a CHC-2, primarily for TIG welding. Just wanted to show you guys how we would put it on. So you strap it, slide your arm through, get it about 3 inches above the elbow. Put it on the side or behind your arm. Pretty much you want it right about there. And then you would simply just grab the Tig Torch, get it comfortable, and again just showing you the instability of your wrist and the counterweight in which the cable wants to pull your wrist up. In this case you would just put it right through. And now there's no counterweight from the cable pulling your wrist out of position. If you wanted to walk that, again, just get it comfortable on your wrist. And now you have it set up if you wanted to have it in a different grip.